Most people are not going to escape getting out of this lifetime without some form of back pain. So it typically impairs our function, our activities. So we're going to be covering common myths associated with back pain. And one of the common myths are that tight hamstrings cause back pain and that we need to stretch our hamstrings excessively in order to prevent or help with the back pain. So what we typically see is people will bend over at the waist and they trying to stretch your hamstrings, but they're flexing and bowing the neutral curve in their spine that goes forward backwards. Let's have you stand up. That puts a lot of compressive load on the spine, specifically the disc. So that would actually be a contributor to back pain. So there is an exception. So if you had one hamstring that was tight and you had asymmetry between the two, a better way of stretching the hamstring would be laying on your back. One, when you lay down, you're reducing pressure in the spine. So Allie's going to show us here. So if she was by herself, she could do it at home on the wall, put her leg through a door, put it up on the door jamb, and she would find the tightness, and then she would push into the wall for about 6 to 8 seconds, about 50%, not as hard as she could, and then she would relax, and then she would scoot forward, doing that 2 or 3 times. That would only be if there was some asymmetry as far as the hamstring. So again, a common myth is that tight hamstrings cause back pain, and that is not true, and everybody's different, so the prescription would be different, but don't buy into we have to stretch our hamstrings to fix our back.